So today basically is almost we are at 1 year of a lockdown situation. And it was, this week last year that we all said bye to each other and didn't think that we're not going to see each other for a year. But I just want to say, since most of us who are here have been, okay, so basically congrats to all of us for surviving this year and doing such a good job and managing online, shifting from offline. So just want a huge shout out, because we've had a great year. We've had great classes, great outreach, promotions, social media, all of that has been fantastic. So hats off. And just wanted to say that this team has been amazing. So looking forward to a brand new year, because a new year is starting and new ideas. It's just a super exciting time. So let's all look at it like that. We've made through this year, we've sailed past it, and hats off to all of us for just being able to adapt. And kudos to everybody here, because we made it happen.
Thank you, ma'am, to give us an opportunity, because it was a great year. We never thought that we will be able to, the curriculum and the activities that we are doing with the children, like in the physical classes, we will be able to do it online. So when we see the parents, when we talk to the parents after the play, after the classes, when we see them, when they talk to us, they are very happy with the class. And overall, when we see the happiness in them, even we, we become really happy.
Even if it is online, I have always told Urvi ma'am also, this gives me some other kind of pleasure, teaching these children, talking to them, and the positive response from them. It is amazing. Every parent I meet, they just say the same thing. We never thought drama could happen online, and you all did an amazing job taking this platform further.
India has been amazing. I guess it's because that you people adapted so well and so quickly. And like Radhika was saying, truly heartwarming how quickly it was, jumping from one method of teaching to another.
In the regular physical classes, we would just stick to our curriculum and tweak it here and there a little bit.
Yeah.
But the amount of modules that we've come up with, and different times of the days, you're taking different curriculums altogether, and the approach is completely different for each module, and the age group is so varied, from Kindi to KPMG girls who are so shy. I can't even begin to imagine the kind of growth we have undergone as teachers, because it's just brilliant how it's very compartmentalized. This, I think, in whatever time we've spent in Helen O'Grady, 1 year of learning surpasses all of that, or maybe reinforced all of that we might have learned through the breadcrumbs that are there in some corner of the brain have just started to make much more sense, because of everything coming together in such a comprehensive manner.
I can't express myself, ma'am, how happy I am to come back and to give my more than 100%, and I will do it, ma'am.
I think for your skills, the fact that we can make out which scene has been done by Reena is quite amazing. So if nobody tells me that this scene has been, these students have been trained by Reena, I can still make out. So you have an amazing skill set, Reena. So in fact, the entire year, Radhika, how many children would have enrolled with us?
Yeah, we've successfully hit, I think, 10,000 kids.
Wow.
Yeah. With all our batches, everything, we've managed 10,000 kids online.
Learning every day new thing, and lot of cooperation. Initial stage, I was like running around behind everyone. So Kavita, Anisha, Reena, Fatima, they have been such a big help, and the most inspiring people, like I feel, is ma'am, you, Urvi ma'am, Nutan ma'am, and Radhika. You all are so inspiring.
It's been an amazing journey. Last year, things were crazy, but it was in a lot of enjoyment also. While working, we have had a lot of fun with the Shakespeare Slam, narrative, different competitions, different modules that we have had. Taken the classes, I have taken the enrollments. So between all the things, we have had a good. I personally had a good connect with everyone in the team, with the teachers, with the seniors, and it's really amazing experience for me because I have learned so many things from each one of us present here. And so yes, I have been helping everyone because everyone has been helping me and they have extended their support toward me.
But what's important is, Ganesh, your biggest skill set, we were discussing it just today, is that he follows through. If there is a problem, he will find a solution. And I think creative to tum hoi, and we are having a great time working together. But the skill set that he has, one problem, the solution will come from him, even if it takes 2 days, but he will keep researching. And I think that's your biggest skill. And hats off to you. And we're very excited, looking forward to this new year, working together. And we are going to make great content.
That's because you all guys are very supportive and cooperative. And that's how I'm willing to learn more from you guys.
Thank you, but really, I mean, we are very excited.
And sales team, all of you, Bhavna, working 24 hours every single day, whether it is Saturday or Sunday. We just get a break on Sunday, but the sales team has not taken any break even on a Sunday. Their calls are on throughout the day. So all three of you, absolutely fantastic.
So let's find ways and means of bringing a lot of good cheer, plus all the hard work that will be needed. So thank you all.
Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you.
Rama.